Hello my dear friends, this is a PaintyKat. My name is Catherine. Welcome on my channel. Today we're gonna paint with acrylic. I wanna let you know this is a demonstration version of tutorial. It's a kind of short, and here you can see just the main steps we will follow for this painting, and on the links down below you can find my real-time tutorials and this one as well. Real time going for 1 hour and 16 minutes. Also in my creative club you can find a traceable for this tutorial. Just use it if you need it. It's really helping, especially for beginners. By the way, this painting itself, it's not that hard to do, and here we have all the basic techniques. First of all, we practicing here really soft gradient, which is nice for beginners, and the sky here is white to pink, so it's really easy. It's almost slightly visible under the camera. So the left corner here, it's just a white color, and the left one, it's a light pink. Second moment here, we talking about different brushes, and the really interesting thing is natural Bristol brushes can have a different quality. Some of them are very soft and some of them more rough. So this one, it's a soft type. It's even can blend colors almost smoothly, but sometimes it's giving spots. Not all the time it's good. Sometimes we need very smooth blending, and I think flat brushes is better for it. And sky here we blend it with a flat brush, but this brush giving some spots, and it's nice for clouds, it's nice for forest on a background. And second type of the brushes here, it's a natural Bristol rough brush like this one. It's giving a different type of the brush stroke. It's not so soft. It's very nice to work with half dry consistency, and I really like this technique. I mean dry brushing. And also here we gonna paint grass. If you think that grass is tricky to paint because of many details, it's not really so. Just important to follow the main principle. We painting from the general to specific. It's mean first we have to apply the basic color for it. It can be just one color, but actually it's not really good because, well, grass itself, it's have different colors in it, different spots. Sometimes it's looking at dark green, sometimes it can be a spots of the some brown colors because it's a ground visible through the grass. And later we will layer details. We will start with a medium size of details and a really small and even a tiny accents in the end. Also here we're gonna talk about rays of light. A really interesting moment, nice detail. I know it's a kind of popular for the landscapes, and important to remember about the color of it, because lots of times I can see rays of light done with just a white color. Sometimes it can work, but most of the time it's not fits well with warm colors around. If you wanna learn more about it, if you wanna practice with me and create this painting step by step with very detailed voice comments, join me in my creative club. You can find links down below. Here, as I told you, it's a demo version, so it's just have some music. Thank you everyone who joining me today, and thank you for watching. my painting is done. I really hope you enjoyed how it's turned. If you do, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. In the future we will have more interesting tutorials. My friends, if you want to follow my real-time tutorials, join my Patreon and you can find link down below. I'll catch you later. It was a PaintyKat. Bye bye.